So I'll be showing you how you can see the blocked list on Snapchat. This is basically everyone you've blocked on Snapchat. So simply launch Snapchat on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android, and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. On your profile page, tap on the settings icon in the top right. On the settings page, you want to scroll to the privacy controls section, and here you want to look for blocked users. So you can see right here, tap on that, and here you'll see a list of everyone you have blocked. Now I only have one person in my list, and from here I can either leave them blocked or I can unblock them by tapping on this X icon on the right. But that is basically how to find your blocked list on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.